What's going on, guys? Alex here from Royal Street Krew. Today it is the morning of meet day. We are starting off the day right at the gym.
Day.
And then we have a few little touches to add to the car. I don't know if you guys can notice anything different on it at the moment.
Hey, don't show them yet. Hey.
Yep, and we got a few more things. We've got a little roof spoiler action and a few other things to put on. Later on we'll show you how to put on a sticker, because we've had a few people purchase stickers and they've ended up ripping them in half.
Bit of rippage.
Yeah. But yeah, we're going to hit the gym. Later we'll wash the rigs and we'll catch up with you soon. Rigs all clean. It's about late in the afternoon. It's about 5:30 at the moment. We're heading to the meet early. I'm going to meet up with Brandon now after I pick up my girlfriend. It was supposed to rain this weekend, but we got blessed with the weather. As you can see, the sun's out. It's about 35 degrees, so can't complain. Yeah, we'll catch us at the meet. Hopefully meet all you guys. Thanks for the support and all that, and I'll see you soon. What's going on, guys? Pulling up to the meet now. We've got a few cars here at the moment, as you can probably hear.
It's an early one.
We've got the Falcon. We've got some of the boys out here. We've got a couple of them. We've got a ST, a few spoolie boy Falcons. We've got Corey's MPS6, full built motor. You would have seen that in the car meet video. Gage's S15. So yeah, it's only just 10 minutes till it officially starts. But yeah, it's looking pretty good turnout at the moment. So we'll keep you guys updated.
Mental. It's mental.
What's that? You want it?
Yeah, it's mental though. Look at this. Look at the stock boy. Monster truck.
Oh, what shirt you got on, man?
Oh yeah, check
What's
it
that?
out.
Oh,
RSK merch.
What?
Get with it.
Oh, damn.
Let us know.
It's fresh. If you want some merch like that, let us know, you know. We could organise some shirts. We've got hoodies and stuff coming out soon, but for now it's just stickers. So if you want these stickers, $10, hit us up. But until more people pull up at the meet, we'll keep you posted. Hey man, we got a small turbo. This F6 over here.
Don't need Qantas license. What?
Straight from Boeing 747. Clean as F6, running 420 kilowatt E85 on a running tune, going back for a 550 kilowatt tune. So that should be pretty mint.
Massive turnout already. Someone special turned up. I'll give you a Gage.
Sorry.
What's going on, bro?
Yeah, good. Ooh, filming.
We got meat already.
Yeah, bro.
It's crazy.
Usually about 6:45ish. That's alright. I got
alright
tonight, so drop in for about half an hour.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? How you doing, man?
Bad yourself?
Yeah, good.
You are at our car meet.
Yes.
Ours. We are.
I know, and you're gonna be at mine tomorrow.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. We'll be there. We'll be there. Still heaps of people to turn up, so it's not done too bad so far. Alright, I got a new sticker for the rig. We're going to chuck it on now. Alex is going to...
We haven't chucked it on yet because we're going to do...
No, Alex put his on.
No.
And I'm going to put mine on now.
The ones we're advertising, I haven't put it on yet.
Oh yeah, no. We're going to, yeah.
We want to show you how to do it because a few people are having difficulty with them. It's better than nothing. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to make sure all of your letters peel off with the sticker.
Do it the right way so it doesn't rip.
See, as you can see, that letter's peeled off, so just peel it back down. Give it a little bit of a rub. Make sure you get all the letter corners down. Nah, it's being a pain.
Alex, all these people are here for us. For us. That's sick. Hey.
Yo.
That's sick. We'll go for a walk around after we do this.
Okay. Alright, make sure you got clean glass surface.
The bottom's going to stick first.
You line it up straight enough with the window. Press that all down. Cut a card, I don't have to blank out the details there so you don't see what I'm doing. And you just make sure you rub that on real good. Make sure you get all the letters stuck on the window. Important to have a clean surface to make sure you don't get any dust particles or anything under the sticker, because then you will get air bubbles. Then you grab it, pick it from the corner, you pull it off at a big angle and make sure all of the corners stick down. As you can see, the street part is a separate piece, so you peel that
second.
the first layer off first, and then slowly do the second layer.
The oil slick.
And there you go.
Oh, dad palsy.
That's the black for a stealth look, and as you can see, as you can't really see it, with the oil slick in the middle, in the sun that does look really good. But that is indeed how you stick a sticker on a window. Take you for a walk around now and see what else we got here. Hey man.
It's a monster.
It's a monster. It makes your SRT look like a bitch. Hey.
A car's been spotted. We're going to see it. Come check it. Look at it. It's little. It can fit me in one go.
It could fit little man in here. It's even got a pod filter and a red P plate on.
Oh my god, yum. I want
Look
it.
at it.
I want it.
Get that.
I want it. Yum.
$5 you can't fit in it.
Oh, yum.
Oh.
Yum, a jazz. Quick. Brandon.
What?
There's a jazz.
I'm admiring this piece of work.
It's got trash number plates.
Oh, yum.
Look at it. It's
That's
hot.
what I'm talking about.
It's hot.
What do you mean?
The weather has changed, Alex.
It's about to rain.
It's changed.
It's about to rain.
We're not happy about it.
We still got decent turnout at the moment.
Yeah.
And we can always
We've
just
done
get
good
in
for the
and
first hour.
start cruising already.
Yeah.
It does look
Look at everyone that we've got already.
And then go very quickly.
So he's driving a 200 kilo extra fucking
GDR behind us.
They're gonna make fake that one.
What a weapon. Well, we've still got what? Another 15 to 20 in us?
Yeah, there's heaps more cars that come here, but we're running out of time, so...
We need a hit before the rain.
If it rains, I hope the rain clears pretty quickly. That way we can keep things underway, because otherwise everyone's going to leave.
No, they're not going to leave. Half the people are leaving. I think half.
A few Gulf spawners. There's not half the people leaving. You're blind. Brandon must be blind. You need to go Specsavers.
Let. It's you. Stop it. I'm going to go for a walk around. Are you coming?
Well, you need to go to Specsavers.
Anyway. Go on Specsavers. Alright, we spoke too soon. It's starting to rain. Not good.
Look, everyone's going.
Okay, boys. Fat. Hopefully some people stay for the cruise. Probably going to start early. Probably should let everyone know
okay,
very soon.
We've just left the meet because of certain weather conditions. Unfortunately we had to leave because everyone was leaving. They didn't want to get wet and didn't want to get their cars damaged or anything, as we had hail predicted. We're still heading on the cruise now. We've got about 20 cars cruising up with us. So stay posted.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're heading up the mountains now. We're heading to the Three Sisters in Katoomba. So yeah, it should be pretty good. We'll catch up with you when we get up the top. But until then, stay tuned. We have pulled up here at Katoomba. Unfortunately,
and it's pissing down rain.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I have to get you in the frame down there. Yeah, it's decided to piss down with rain. Unfortunately, due to weather, most of the people left the meet and didn't come on the cruise.
In saying that, huge meet.
Yeah.
Huge turnout.
Oh, we had at least 80 cars come out, with more on the way. But the next one, hopefully the weather will be on our side.
Next month.
Yeah, this time we weren't so lucky. Next month we'll be organising a meet, so yeah, stay keen for that.
Let it build up.
Typical commie in its natural element. So we've left the meet, had a few issues. My car didn't start due to a bad earth, a bad terminal. Terminal had a bit of corrosion on the battery, and the coppers showed up because of a few videos we're going to insert, so that kind of ruined it a little bit. But yeah, so overall the meet was good. The only thing bad about it was the weather, but we will be hosting them probably every month or two.
Wait, what's this?
Oh shit. Uh-oh. We had a random breath testing station.
Oh, great.
Great, let's hope we don't get pulled in, guys.
Let's see.
And
We didn't.
straight through. Wow. Look at us go.
Oh my god, that never happened.
Wow. Lucky we weren't with the pack up the front.
Wow.
We slowed down to get a friend of ours because he was at the service station. Lucky we didn't, or we would have got pulled in. Great meet, guys. Thanks for all coming out and stuff. We're going to probably have one next month. Unfortunately, again, due to the weather, it was a bit shit.
It was insane though.
But a lot of people turned out. A lot of people were keen to see it again. A lot of people definitely want to see another one. So stay tuned. We'll post up a new one
Thanks
soon.
everyone for coming.
Yeah, thanks everyone for coming. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know the go. But until then, we'll catch you on the flip side. Yee.